YouTube, Joseph Ulmer here, and this is going to be another installment in my Automotive Basics series. Today I'm going to show you how to install windshield wipers on a vehicle, and the vehicle we're using today is my 2016 Ram 1500. Now there are several different types of windshield wiper attachment designs. The most common is the J-hook, which this truck uses, and I will show you a little bit more about that here in just a second. Selection of windshield wipers. I'm actually using the factory Mopar. I don't know if you can see that. These are actually the factory Mopar windshield wipers that I'll be putting on this truck. This truck was built in April of 2016. I bought it in February of 2017. It is now March of 2019, and these are the original wipers that were on here from the factory. So they have, in theory, lasted almost 3 years. So for the cost, these were not a whole lot more than the top quality windshield wipers at the local auto parts store. So if I can get another 3 years out of a set of windshield wipers, that'd be wonderful. Now I do, in bad weather during the winter, pull them and stand them up like this. That way they don't get frozen to the windshield, which does help with the longevity. And these actually aren't streaking yet, but that one, the rubber is starting to break off the passenger side. So while I get set up to show you exactly what I'm doing installing these windshield wipers, do me a big favor. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. If you've hit the subscribe button, do me a favor, make sure you've hit that notification bell as well so you get post notifications on all my upcoming videos. At the end of the video, I will put a card up here for my first Automotive Basics video on how to install a battery in your vehicle. And do me a favor, share this with a friend, rate it when it's all over with. Thumbs up would be greatly appreciated, guys. Give me just a second, we'll be right back. Okay guys, we're going to start on the driver's side. The first thing you're going to want to do is lift your windshield wiper up. This particular vehicle, the windshield wipers do stand straight up. Now on the J-hook style of windshield wiper, if you push the windshield wiper away from the arm, there's a tab back here. And my assistant will zoom in on the tab. Hopefully you can see it. Let me put a little more light on there. See if it shows up. Right where the tip of my finger is, there's a tab. Can you see it okay?
It's a little blurry.
And I'll bring the wiper in for a closer shot once we get it off and show you the tab. But if you push the tab toward the arm and then push down on the arm, the wiper will come loose and you can slide it out. Now, they call these a J-hook design because once you get the wiper off, you can see how there's a J-shaped hook here. These are the most common on newer vehicles. Some older vehicles use a pin style hook, and most of your wipers from your auto parts store will come with the adapters for that. There are a few that use some rather odd hooks that are proprietary to the manufacturer. Now, right here, if I flip this open, okay, this is the piece that hook goes around. Right back here in the back, that is the locking tab that you lift up on to release the windshield wiper. Now, to put the new one on, we're going to slide the J-hook up into this pocket and then pull the wiper up into the J-hook. I'll show you here in just a second. Now, in some vehicles, so I'm getting this wiper out, some vehicles use a different size windshield wiper on the driver's side as opposed to the passenger side. So make sure you have the correct size wiper for your application. And if you don't know what size your windshield wipers are, you can check with the people at the auto parts store, or if you have a tape measure, just measure from one end of the wiper blade to the other with the wiper blade held flat. Now, on these, I'm going to flip this outer cover up. I'm going to slide the J-hook into this upper cover. And then I'm going to slide the whole windshield wiper up into the J-hook until it clicks. And then I lock the outer cover down. And these particular wipers have a protective plastic cover on the outside of the rubber blade. So I'm going to remove that. And then just simply fold them back down and you're ready to go. So, real quick, I'm going to get the passenger side installed. And I'll show you how quick and simple it is to install one. Alright guys, there you go. Hopefully that'll help some of you guys. Please share that with your friends. But that is how quick and simple it is to install windshield wipers. Not all windshield wipers use the design with the little cap. A lot of them, especially the less expensive ones, just slide directly up into the J-hook. They all have the same release tab to release them from the J-hook. So guys, do me a favor. Please don't forget to rate the video, subscribe if you haven't, put your questions in the comments section, and guys, don't be afraid to get out there and get your hands dirty. You might have a little bit of fun doing it. We'll see you on the next one.